Based on its fundamentals and current market price, is ABB India a rewarding investment idea? As a subsidiary of a global leader, privilege of access to the best in technology, reputed for over decades, growing revenue year after year, among peers, a sizable market capitalization ranking number 2. A leading power equipment manufacturer with an edge in technology, manufacturing plants across Indian geography, distribution network for last mile connectivity, product portfolio diversified to cater to varied requirements of its customers. ABB derives a major chunk of its profits from the two segments, electrification and motion. Process automation and robotics are evolving and contribute a distant third share. Company is focusing on growth segments inclusive of renewables. A major part of company's orders are from base industry, normally profitable with modest growth, but it is large orders which get more profits but are involving more than a year in execution, but a judicious mix of large and base orders helping company generate optimum annual profits. But wherever large orders are executed, the quarterly distribution of profits gets a bit of unevenness. On a trailing 12 months basis, impressive growth in revenue quarter after quarter. On a 2-year basis, CAGR of 19%. Walking along revenue is profit rising substantially with a CAGR almost double that of revenue. Hallmark of the company is rising profitability quarter after quarter, reaching a peak of over 15%. The company is blessed with a strong revenue stream and a supporting profit. During the financial year 2024, the company's material cost quarter after quarter recorded a substantial fall, benefiting the company in improving its profitability. Company's earnings before interest, tax and depreciation, EBITDA, reaches a newer high during the period, peaking in the last quarter. Superior profitability index of orders, rising capacity utilization and benefits from operating leverage places ABB at a privileged position. Solid cash flow with investment in fixed assets, sizable but uniform. Dividend has remained meager in the initial years. Latest 2 years, the quantum has increased, but the yield remains below 1%. But it is the cash flow generation from operations which has peaked during the last 2 years, crossing 1,300 crores. Company is too strong with a net worth of almost 7,000 crores and a return on equity peaking at over 29%, and company is a debt-free company sitting on a strong cash pile of over 5,500 crores, awaiting opportunities for organic or inorganic growth. In Q4 of FY24, the company had a disappointment in the order flow on an year-on-year basis, and the fall at the global level was 21%, whereas at the local level the shortfall was 14%. Concerns over order pipeline and consequently on the revenue growth outlook upsets the market. Added to this was the conservative profit guidance for FY25, which was not to the liking of the market. Market had brought down the price from its peak of 18th June, and by December almost 15% had been eroded, but the news of negative order flow Tepid guidance for revenue as well as profits totally upset the market. There was a massive fall in the share price, with the result from its peak of 9,150, almost a half was wiped out and the price reached the lowest of the year level at 4890. On the brighter side, the price has collapsed to the current level appears at an attractive price earning multiple, which incidentally is below the 6-yearly median and also below the PE level 2 years ago. Considering the fundamental strength of the company, its technical superiority and the potential for profits, ABB India might be worth consideration as an investment idea. Price action data for the last 6 months confirms normal quantity, and the trend of price fall, although it started in the middle of October, severe pressure is experienced from mid-December. As of now, there are no firm indications of any trend reversal. Quantity continues to put pressure on price fall. Hope you found this video on ABB India to your liking. I am Vittal Prabhu with the fortnightly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access videos on multiple companies with similar content at our info card. We look forward to your objective feedback. If you are new to the channel, may kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.